we are still holding in deep blues on gold, as you guys can see. Approaching 70k, 64k floating currently on gold.
And all you need are two moving averages, MACD and stochastic oscillator. You can see right here one winning trade as the market is telling you that the market must go down. And also as the markets continue to go down, there's also another winning trade right here with these same trading rules. And then right here as the market is going up, you also see another winning trade, also followed by another one going down right here. You can actually see it's one winning trade after the other, because if you have a powerful strategy which will make you $70,000 each and every time you are entering the market, you can actually live the life that you deserve, going to beautiful hotels, making money in your car and doing crazy activities. So for you to be able to make $70,000, first you need these two moving averages. The first one is the blue moving average and the second one is the gold moving average. When you see the blue moving average crossing below the gold moving average, this tells you the market is now going in a strong downtrend. So next, what you want to do is to now go to the MACD. On the MACD, you're looking at these bars. When you see that the bars are now becoming bigger and bigger, that tells you that the MACD is actually confirming the direction that you have from these moving averages. But before you enter the sell trade, you want to confirm with the stochastic oscillator. You want to see the stochastic oscillator coming from this overbought zone and pointing down just like this. And now since you have the moving average telling you that the market must go down, the MACD also confirming the direction, and then the stochastic oscillator telling you that the market must shoot down, you can enter the trade right here and make 70,000 on this actual trade. So now if you also go back, you can actually see right here another trade opportunity where you now have the blue moving average crossing above the gold moving average. And also if you look at the MACD bars, you can actually see the bars are becoming smaller and smaller, telling you that the market must go up. Then on the stochastic oscillator, you want to see it coming from the oversold zone and pointing up exactly like this. This will now push the market to the extent that if you enter the trade right here, you will be able to make $70,000 or more. So with this actual strategy, you can actually see is one winning trade after the other. And if you really want to build your confidence when entering with this actual trade, you must have all the three indicators telling you the same thing, that the market must go down. When that happens, you actually see the market shooting down into direction without turning back. For the gold moving average, period must be 5, method exponential, apply to open and still 4 pixels. Then for the blue moving average, period must be 5, method exponential, apply to close, still 4 pixels. And now even if you go to where the market actually started and look for trade opportunities, you can actually see right here there is a sell trade where you have the blue moving average below the gold moving average, and also you can see the MACD bars are pointing down and the stochastic oscillator is coming from the overbought zone pointing down, which means this is a trade opportunity that can make you $70,000 with this auto strategy. Then now when it comes to the stochastic oscillator, K period must be 5, D period must be 3, slowing must be 3, method exponential for the levels must have 20 and 80. And if you really want to make $70,000 each and every day, you must be using this MACD, which will tell you when exactly to enter in a sell trade as the market is starting to go down, and also when exactly to enter into a buy trade that can actually make you $70,000. So if you want the settings of this MACD, comment below MACD and I'll give it to you for free. Now let's test out this auto strategy to really see if it's really powerful or it's pure bogus. So right here you can actually see the blue line crossing the gold line, and then if you now look at the stochastic oscillator, you can see the stochastic oscillator coming from the 20 level and pointing up. And also if you look at the most important indicator, which is the MACD, it's also confirming that the market must go up. But the only thing is that this candle hasn't closed yet, which means we can go to another time frame like the 5-minute time frame to actually see if there is a clear opportunity where we can actually enter the trade. This is a 5-minute time frame. You can actually see that the stochastic oscillator is now in the overbought zone, which means on the 5-minute time frame we've actually missed the opportunity where we must have entered right here. So now let's see how this actual candle closes. You can actually see every everything is pending for the market to actually go up. So let's end up buy trade and actually take advantage of this actual trade and see will the market shoot up or it actually shoot down. Look right there, what is happening? The market is actually going in the direction that you want it to go. And also if you look at Nasdaq, you can also see there's also a clear opportunity for the market to actually go down because we have the blue moving average crossing the gold moving average, and also the MACD is also pointing up. Then the stochastic oscillator is also pointing up. So because of that, this is also a good opportunity. So let's see how well this actual trade goes, because right here you can actually see that Nasdaq already in profits and also is shooting up very nicely and smoothly. But the question is, will GBPUSD actually shoot up in the same direction as Nasdaq? Right now the market is still going up and down, so we have to be patient a little bit so that you can actually see this actual strategy in action and also making good profits. Now GBPUSD is now in profits, so overall all our trades are now in profits. You can actually see the market is actually following through and also going deeper and deeper into profits because of this powerful strategy. And this now shows you that this actual strategy is powerful and also legit. If you also want to test it out, now take this strategy, test it out for yourself and come back to this video and comment below what do you think about this actual strategy. Is it good? Is it powerful? And also, is it possible to actually make $70,000 with this actual strategy? This is more by Forex. Bye for now.